Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and now let us practice reading. Ale, ale, fail. Ale, ale, pale. Ale, ale, tail. Ale, ale, rail. Ale, ale, nail. Ale, ale, sail. Ale, ale, hail. Ale, ale, snail. Ale, male. Ale, ale, whale. Ale, ale, jail. Ale, ale, bail. Okay, let's read it again together. Fail, pale, tail, rail, nail, sail, hail, snail, mail, whale, jail, bail. Okay, let's read it again. Fail, pale, tail, rail, nail, sail, hail, snail, mail, whale, jail, bail. Okay, it's your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Ain, ain, main. Ain, ain, pain. Ain, ain, rain. Ain, ain, gain. Ain, ain, vain. Ain, ain, brain. Ain, ain, chain. Ain, ain, drain. Ain, ain, stain. Ain, ain, grain. Ain, plain. Ain, slain. Ain, train. Okay, let's read it again together. Main, pain, rain, gain, vein, brain, chain, drain, stain, grain, plain, slain, train. Okay, can you read it alone? Okay, very good, and I hope that you learn from today's reading lesson.